It's 11 o'clock and we're going to Aunt Beth's house for Thanksgiving.
You seem pretty excited.
So, see us!
Where are we going, Caroline?
Go Sophia.
Okay. Wait for me.
Who is it? It's not Halloween. It's not Halloween yet. Come on in. Oh God. I don't even know where
Making her bellies are
I heard her
bigger,
say
like
that.
All right, Tom, let's see if you can get her to smile.
Who, Sammy or
Sammy. And there you go.
Sammy? He's jamming. Give me a shot. Sammy! I can't keep like.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Not under his smile. Sophia has something, and Joe can have that same glass. Caroline can touch it. She just got this one. The Ava? Is she eating the toast?
Just ate Thanksgiving dinner and now we're swinging high in the sky. We're trying to work up. We ate and then we're going to have pie.
What do you think, Connor? Connor, what are you doing? You gonna slide?
No, I just want,
Here comes the crew. What's that, Connor?
Just like Kangaroo.
Oh, all right.
How much wood can a woodchuck chuck and woodchuck can chuck?
500 hours. We're in New York and star that they're gonna put on top of the tree over there.
So this is the star?
Yeah. And over there, they're building something to put the lights on.
That's the tree?
I was gonna go on there because I can already see a star. Yeah, but that might be a duplicate. And we were gonna see the rocket.
What's that?
See the rocket.
All right.
I always mistake it for the rocket.
Caroline, what are you doing? Okay.
We're at the Radio City Music Hall to watch the Rockets, and if Daddy doesn't hurry, we're gonna be late. So let's go.
Wait, let me show everybody this. Should I show everybody the lights, Connor?
Sure, but hurry. What?
Should I show everybody the lights?
Sure. Oh, I don't think we're.
All right. Angry Birds, bye. Campbell, where are you guys?
We're at New York City, and there's some little mountain climbing things, and we're climbing them. And
Some of the really rich guys, they have, you know, not necessarily they live in a city. But why celebrities don't have partners in New York? Because it's okay.
With the rocks.
Hey, Caroline, you waving?
Even if it's a mountain. Caroline, were you waving? Yeah.
Connor, are you in a car right now?
No. Yes, we are. We're in a horse-powered car.
Oh.
Yeah. Horse-powered carriage.